Dear students, now we are going to learn about some topics of Unit 14. First topic is blood cells related disorders. First disorder is anemia. Anemia is a condition in which you lack enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to body tissues. Having anemia can make you feel tired and weak. Second disorder is leukocytosis. Leukocytosis is a condition in which the body has a higher level of white blood cells than normal level. What are the symptoms? Continuous fever, breathing trouble, and problem in vision. Third disorder is leukopenia. Leukopenia is the condition in which there is an abnormal reduced amount of white blood cells. Normal white blood cell count is 4000 to 11,000 per microliter. The fourth disorder is thrombocytopenia. It is a condition characterized by abnormally low levels of platelets or thrombocytes in the blood. A normal human platelet count range from 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per microliter of blood. Next topic is types of circulatory system in animals. Animals possess two types of circulatory system. They are open type and closed type. Open type. In open type, the Haemolymph or blood is pumped by heart into the blood vessels that open into the blood space called sinuses. These sinuses are the body cavities which are called hemocoel. Capillary system is absent here. In this case, the heart pumps the blood or hemocoel through the artery into the body cavity is known as hemocoel. The hemocoel receive the blood or hemolymph. After utilizing the hemolymph, it is absorbed by the heart through these small openings known as atria. This type of circulatory system is present in arthropods, mollusks, and ascidians. Closed type of circulatory system. In closed type, the blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through the specific blood vessels. Blood flows from the arteries to veins through small blood vessels called capillaries. Example vertebrates. Here, heart pump the blood through the arteries into the capillaries. Capillaries supply the gases and nutrients to the tissue. Then blood is deoxygenated blood is collected by the veins and returned back to the heart. So a complete cycle we have. This type of circulatory system is known as closed type of circulatory system. Next topic is types of blood circulation. There are three types of circulation in our body: systemic circulation, coronary circulation, and pulmonary circulation. First, we can see what is systemic circulation. Circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to the various organs of the body, and return of deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta carries oxygenated blood to all the organs of the body. So here we have this from the heart. From the heart, blood is pumped to all the parts of the body from left ventricle through this aorta. So this blood is utilized and again it is come back to the heart into the uh, right auricle. This circulation is known as systemic circulation. Second one is pulmonary circulation. The path of pulmonary circulation starts in the right ventricle. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and reaches the lungs with deoxygenated blood. From the heart, deoxygenated blood is pumped to the lungs, where CO2 is released and oxygen is absorbed and will become the oxygenated blood. From the lungs, it is returned back to the heart. Okay, this circulation is known as pulmonary circulation. Third one is coronary circulation. The supply of blood to the heart muscles is called coronary circulations. Cardiac muscles receive oxygenated blood from the coronary arteries that originate from the aortic arch. So, from the aortic arch, the coronary arteries supply the blood to the cardiac muscles. Then, deoxygenated blood is collected uh, through the coronary veins and it will come back to the uh, right auricle. This circulation is known as coronary circulation. So we have this all the three circulation in one picture. The circulation of oxygenated blood from heart to all the parts of the body. Okay, then it is coming back to the heart. This is systemic circulation. Then second one is pulmonary circulation from heart to lungs to absorb oxygen, then it will come back to the heart. This is pulmonary circulation. Then supply of oxygenated blood to the heart muscles and a collection of deoxygenated blood from the heart muscles to right auricle, that is known as coronary circulation. Next topic is heart chambers in vertebrate animals. First one, fishes. The fish heart has two chambers, uh, one atrium and another ventricle. Okay, only two chambers here. In case of amphibians, amphibians have three chambered heart, one atria and one ventricle. Here one ventricle, here two atrium. Okay, this totally three chambers. In reptiles have three chambered heart, two atria and one partially divided ventricle. Here you can see this two atria, here two atria and one partially in between these two ventricle there is a incomplete septa. So it is a partially divided ventricle. Then about crocodile. Among the reptiles, crocodile alone has four chambered heart. It is with a fully divided ventricle, like mammals and birds. And the fourth one is birds and mammals are having four chambered heart, two atria and two ventricles. There has been an increase in the number of chambers in heart during evolution of vertebrates. From fish to mammals, the number of chamber increase. Thank you.